Because he wants some attention. And I'll go give him. Oh, are you kidding me? Jesus Christ!
Oh man!
What is wrong with you?
Oh.
Fucking idiot!
Did it go?
Yeah, when I was right fucking next to it. He didn't even tell me he was gonna try it. It went me.
I was trying to sing it.
Go.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, we need some background music.
What are you doing?
Play some background music.
Is it copyright?
Maybe. Actually, I don't know. Maybe.
I think it died.
Yeah, it died.
Immediately after going.
We charged for 10 minutes.
Oh, are you kidding me? That was it. You didn't even film that. All right, Coots. It's synced. Oh. All right, he's mowing the lawn. Oh. Do you have any control over that thing?
I'm trying to figure this out. It's not as easy as it looks.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, he had air for like 2 seconds.
I'm being careful, okay? I don't want
Just get it off the ground.
But it's gonna be like going off.
Get it off the ground. Oh! Keep it off the ground, Coots.
You got hurt.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh my god. You would have crashed like 10 times already.
Oh! He's coming after me. Jesus. Dun, 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 dun. You're gonna destroy the router.
Yeah,
I want to try, yeah. Put it in the middle.
Hey! Until I get to the middle. Watch it.
I didn't do anything. I didn't like that.
Yeah, you're making that one spin.
Oh shit.
He's just.
I control it.
Hey, whoa!
There you go.
Sustainable flight. Oh! 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 Oh my God!
Oh no, it's off the angle.
I want to watch that footage over again. See if I even got you hitting the wall.
I'm not gonna push it this time. Why did it do that? All I did was go up.
Oh shit!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey!
Don't hit the bus. That's my bus.
Go forward with this joint. No, go forward with the right one. Go forward. Go forward. There we go.
Oh shit! Shit! It's still going after.
This is dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Oh shit!
Pretty good. Yeah. It goes. Oh! Look at it go!
I got it. Oh no!
That fucked it up.
This thing is ridiculously durable.
That's the last crash you can take.
Let it focus. This camera does not like to focus. Meow. There it goes. Yeah, look at that damage there.
I'm gonna order another one. We're gonna have air battles.
I want a better one.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
You really want to drop a bunch of money on one of these?
I'm gonna get a bigger one.
All the time.
Yeah, when I fly it in the house, it's gonna be out in the field. We know fields.
Then you'll lose it.